description box below. Number 2 is the Lexmark MC3224 all-in-one printer. The Lexmark MC3224 color all-in-one printer is an optimistic choice for those seeking the best laser printer for WaterSlide decals. With its high-performance capabilities, this printer delivers exceptional print quality and efficiency. Moreover, it goes beyond just printing by offering the unique feature of supporting up to 100% recycled paper, making it a perfect eco-friendly option for environmentally conscious individuals who want to reduce their carbon footprint while still enjoying a top-notch printing experience. It comes with a generous 8.4 x 14 sheet size, perfect for printing large-format documents like spreadsheets, presentations, and photographs. With dimensions of 15 x 16 x 13, it is a versatile choice for home and office use. Moreover, this printer boasts a powerful 385-watt consumable wattage, enabling faster print speeds than other laser printers. It is also prepared with standard Wi-Fi, USB, and Ethernet connectivity, ensuring seamless integration with your iPad. The printer is equipped with automatic two-sided printing, allowing you to save on paper costs and minimize waste effortlessly. Through the Lexmark Own Print subscription program, you can rely on consistent color printing while enjoying up to 50% savings on toner, eliminating concerns of running out. If you want to purchase this all-in-one laser printer right now, check out the link given in the description box.